T. Rowe Price Retirement 2060 Fund Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. This target date fund, ticker symbol TRPLX, is designed for individuals planning to retire around the year 2060. Its core feature is a glide path that dynamically adjusts asset allocation, becoming more conservative as the target date approaches. Currently, the fund holds a predominantly equity-focused portfolio, roughly 90% stocks and 10% bonds, reflecting the long investment horizon. The underlying holdings are primarily T. Rowe Price actively managed funds, diversified across various market capitalizations and sectors. This active management is both a strength and a potential weakness. The strength lies in the potential for outperformance compared to passively managed target date funds, as T. Rowe Price employs a robust research team and investment process. This could lead to higher returns over the long term. However, active management also translates to higher expense ratios. TRPLX carries an expense ratio of approximately 0.75%, which is higher than comparable passive target date funds from Vanguard or Fidelity. This eats into returns, particularly during periods of underperformance. Another key feature is its global diversification, with significant exposure to international equities. This can enhance returns and reduce overall portfolio volatility, but also introduces currency risk. The fund is generally suited for younger investors in their 20s and 30s who are decades away from retirement and have a high risk tolerance. The long-term investment horizon allows them to withstand market fluctuations. A primary strength is the experienced management team at T. Rowe Price, known for their long-term perspective and value-oriented approach. However, a weakness is the reliance on active management, which adds complexity and cost. Furthermore, the fund's performance is heavily dependent on the skill of the underlying fund managers, introducing manager risk. Consider that past performance is not indicative of future results, and actively managed funds are not guaranteed to outperform passive benchmarks. Before investing, carefully review your own risk tolerance, investment goals, and compare TRPLX's performance and fees against other target date funds, both active and passive. Weigh the potential benefits of active management against the higher costs involved. For some, the higher expense ratio may be justified by the potential for outperformance, while others may prefer the simplicity and lower cost of a passive alternative. Ultimately, the T. Rowe Price Retirement 2060 Fund is a solid option for long-term investors, but it's crucial to understand its features, strengths, and weaknesses to determine if it aligns with your individual financial situation.